Happy birthday, Tito Aji and Tita Belle. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday po, Tito Aji and Tita Bel. I hope you have a great day and more birthdays to come po.
Happy birthday, Tito Aji and Tita Belle. Wishing you endless joy
And God's blessings always.
Wala na, hindi na ako nagayos. Oh, happy birthday, Aji. Happy birthday, Bel. More birthdays to come. Tsaka good health.
Happy birthday, Kuya Adi. Sana maging masaya ang araw na to para sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Tito Aji and Tita Belle. Happy birthday. Hi, have a great day. Happy birthday.
Bye!
Happy birthday mga anak. I always include complete healing of Belle in my daily masses. May God bless your family and may He always keep Aji safe in his daily travel. May God shower your family more blessing and always be grateful to God for these blessings you receive all the time. Keep safe. We all love you. From us to your family. Bye-bye.
Hi, happy birthday, Belle and Aji. More blessings sa iyong family.
Enjoy your birthday.
Enjoy your birthday.
Mami, ano masasabi mo?